Hey guys, it's me, Scratch How To, and today we will be adding aligning to our text engine. So use the text engine tutorial that I made a long time ago. So gotta save it as a copy. Text engine on Scratch align. Okay, so I'm just gonna move this because I added this before. So now it's time to make our code. Okay, so before we do anything, we need to make a new block called get width of, and then you gotta put text. I think you wait. Don't we already have that? I mean, isn't it right here? Yeah, but we still need to do that stuff. The width of every individual, because this one's for every individual letter. We need to know what's the width of the whole entire text as a whole. So let's make a new variable called width for this spread only. Set I to 1, set width to 0, and we show. Okay, we repeat the length of text. This will loop through the whole entire text. Switch costume to the space costume, which should be here somewhere. Yep, right here, the space costume. Adobe switch costume to letter I of text. There we go. And now we change width by the item of width, but the item costume name of width. Oh, actually, no, costume now. It's just costume number of width. Because we stored our width in multiple numbers here, so we get the number of that letter. And then it keeps on repeating, but we have to add a change I by 1 under here. And now I'll loop through all the text, and then I'll find the width. Okay. So at the beginning, okay, so at the right text here, let's edit this. So we get width of text. So we don't need the set offset to X anymore. We don't need this. So let's remove that. So, but we keep the I set I to 1. So let's add two if else's inside of each other. And let's edit the custom block, add label, align, edit input, align. So if the line is equal to L, which means we want to line it to the left, then we set offset to X. And that's as simple as it gets. Now here it gets a little bit more tricky. If we set line to R, then we need to set offset to the X variable, the X reporter minus width, so that it aligns it to the right. And then now that is, if there's anything else, then that's its center. So we do X minus width divided by 2, and this will line it to the center. So basically, it starts right here, and when you move it by width, the top part moves over here, so the bottom part ends up by the mouse. But when you divide by 2, it ends up in the center. Like, let me show you. So in here we add forever, we write, and then we add text. Let's just put username at mouse X, mouse Y, align C for center. And oh yeah, make sure to broadcast delete before that. And now, as you can see, it aligns in the center. If we do left, it aligns to the left. If we do right, it aligns to the right. So now, there we have it. Now we have our own centering text engine. And we can write more stuff like, hello, join username. And then we can add, welcome to my game. Oh yeah, we also need to offset the Y. So let's do minus 50. There you go. Hello, extruded coder 125. Welcome to my game. And now, but we can just say it's high, so that's shorter. Now I can see the whole thing. Hi, extruded coder 125. Welcome to my game. And can decrease the size. But as you can see, we just have to keep our starting every time. So, what's that? Let's just remove this. So instead, what we're gonna do is we edit and we add a label called size, and then size. Now this might make the project really laggy, so yeah, beware. So set them both to 100. Okay. So now we set size to size, and then we get width of letters. So this will just get the width of every individual letter. But my computer is really strong, so it can handle this kind of stuff. So it's at 250. Yep, 150. But as you can see, it also kind of doesn't do the spacing. But other than that, yeah, it's pretty good. And if you set to 200, oh, yep, it started to look really bad now. That's because we need to delete all of offset X and width. Before here, delete all of offset X and then delete all of width right before here. And there we go. Now they are different. So you just remember to delete all of offset X and width. And now the spacing is correct, and we can set the sizes to however we like. And it'll still work. But as you can see, sometimes it goes off screen, but that's only if the letters are too big. So we could just set this to 100. Just set this to 75. And then boom. I just reduce this. I extruded coder 125. Welcome to my game. And yeah, there you have it. But anyways, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and please subscribe and share as it helps the channel. Hit that notifications bell. Have a wonderful day. I make the best text engines.